As today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to an exit here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications and messages. Then come to this list, click here on push notifications here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here, click here on stock price movements. When you click on it, you just go down here, you come here to other options, click in this sign. The like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.